uh, about the transformation. It's about it's an amazing project. I think when people get a chance to really look at it, and it's important for me not to make it about religion, to make it about entertainment. Immediately, the subtext is strong. It's really there. You know what I mean? So I think I wanted to market and promote this project as a project that everybody needs to just see and let them just have the information instead of trying to force it down there. And you know, there's two things that tell you to stay away from. They tell you to stay away from religion and stay away from politics, because no matter what you think, someone passionately disagrees with you. Right? And I stay away from those things. That's how Kanye fucked up. You know, the Nicki said some shit.
Yeah, you can't.
It feels crazy, but it is very accurate. You know what I mean?
So guys, stay tuned. January 30th is official premiere date of this upcoming beautiful movie by Wiz and Jackson. I want to say congratulations to legendary Curtis, man. This is highly appreciated. Before I will finish the video, I want to ask you a question of the day. Please guys, honestly tell me what is your all-time favorite movie by Wiz and Jackson. Just tell me in comment section and let's discuss about this topic. So it was all. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Peace.